FHA Loan Explained. FHA Loan, the first-time homebuyer's best friend that doesn't borrow your lawn tools. So you're ready to buy a home. Congrats. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy cottage, a modern condo, or a ranch-style spread where your Dachshunds can reign supreme, you've probably heard about FHA loans. But what is an FHA loan? And why does it sound like alphabet soup? Don't worry, I'm here to break it down in plain English, sprinkle in a little humor, and get you one step closer to opening the door to your very own Space Coast dream home. So, what is an FHA loan? An FHA loan is a mortgage backed by the Federal Housing Administration. This means the government is basically saying, we've got your back, to the lender. It's designed to help folks who might not qualify for a traditional loan. First-time homebuyers, folks with less than perfect credit, or those without a gold-plated piggy bank. In short, FHA loans make home ownership more accessible. And unlike your nosy neighbor, they won't judge your credit score too harshly. Why people like FHA loans? And you might too. Let's break it down like you're having coffee with your favorite realtor. Me. Here's why FHA loans are worth a peek. Lower credit score requirements. Traditional loans might slam the door in your face if your score isn't 700 plus. But FHA, they're cool with scores as low as 580, and sometimes even lower if you've got a decent down payment. Smaller down payments. Only got a little squirrel stash of savings? No problem. FHA loans let you put down as little as 3.5%. That's about the cost of your average Florida beach trip, minus the sunburn. Higher debt-to-income ratio accepted. Have a few debts, student loans, car payments, your kids' orthodontics. FHA loans are more flexible when it comes to your debt-to-income ratio. You can use gift money. Yep, if grandma wants to pitch in for your down payment, FHA loans say, bring it on. Just make sure you've got a sweet gift letter and not just a wad of mystery cash in a shoebox. And what you'll need to qualify for an FHA loan. All right, let's talk nitty-gritty. Here's your FHA loan starter pack. You're going to need proof of income, pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, aka proof you've got a job. The lender wants to know you can pay your mortgage and still afford taco night. Decent credit score. As we mentioned, 580 plus is typically the magic number for the 3.5% down payment. Got a lower score? You might still qualify with 10% down. Reasonable debt-to-income ratio. Generally, lenders want your debts, including the future mortgage, to take up less than 43% of your income. So maybe hold off on buying that third jet ski for now. Clean enough credit history. No major red flags in the last few years, like recent bankruptcies or foreclosures. FHA is forgiving, but not that forgiving. A primary residence. This isn't for investment properties or vacation homes. FHA wants to help you buy a place you'll actually live in, not just use for weekend cannonballs. So where to start house hunting? Once you're pre-approved, the fun part begins, shopping for your new nest. And you can start your home search here at margaretsellsdreamhomes.com. Browse dreamy homes on the Space Coast that are waiting for a welcome mat and a dachshund or two. Want a sneak peek from your couch? Check out my YouTube channel for virtual home tours. No shoes, no bra, no problem. Just beautiful homes, walkthroughs, and a little of my friendly sass. Final thoughts? Or yes, you can buy a home. FHA loans are like the trusty minivan of mortgages. Maybe not flashy, but dependable, versatile, and perfect for getting you where you need to go. If you're thinking about buying a home and need someone to guide you through the jungle of jargon, inspections, paperwork, and emotional highs and lows, yes, there will be tears, happy ones, mostly. I'm your girl. Let's turn that home ownership dream into a plan, and then a reality. You can call, text, or email me faster than a Florida thunderstorm rolls in. Need help or questions? Call or text 321-480-7662. You can go to margaretsellsdreamhomes.com. And don't forget to subscribe and follow along for home tours, tips, and more Florida fun. My YouTube channel is Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. Margaret Klein signing off. Hopefully this was informative. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.